Hi, everybody, and welcome to today's cryptocurrency analysis. And today we will be looking at one of our favorite coins on this channel, which is Chainlink. Chainlink, we love Chainlink a lot, right? And we've seen that Chainlink hasn't been doing much for the past few days, but I'll be showing you what I believe Chainlink will be doing in the next few days and few weeks to come. If you like the channel, please make sure you click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, right? And we will go down. Now, if we see it in the last 24 hours, we could see just normal volatility we've seen in the price of Link, not really doing anything much, just still hovering between the $6 mark. But I'll be showing you what I believe will happen in the chart in the next coming few days and weeks, right? And this is the chart for Link. And if we're looking at Chainlink, we could see that we've been in a consolidation for about right down from these levels that are about $9 to about probably just the end of the consolidation uh, to the $5 mark. So we've been in this consolidation for such a long while, and let's count for how many days have we been, right? We started, we got into the channel at this point, and uh, at today we are 168 days in this channel, and I can tell you for a fact that the whales are accumulating, right? This is a simple accumulation structure, right? If we look at all the other Wyckoff analysis and all the rest, the eco tells us that this purely is an accumulation, right? And so the whales are accumulating, right? And what they're trying to do is they're trying to make everything so boring that you leave some of these coins. And as you can see, it comes up, hit our liquidity levels, gets very bullish, sometimes goes above the liquidity level and comes back, right, to hit our support. And right, this blue line shows that there is lots of orders, there is a lot of support, right, at this price region. So probably the whales are keeping it at this price region, right? So you can see this is pure or very, very clear accumulation patterns, right? So I believe that at this period in time, that's the best time to begin dollar cost averaging into Link. As you can see, probably soonest we should get a breakout out of this pattern. As you can see, the pattern is getting very, very compressed. As you can see, we had a lot of movement here, but as we begin to enter into the pattern, we could see a more compressed structure uh, showing for Link. So this is pure. This is the facts that is showing that accumulation is going on, and therefore, if the whales are accumulating, you also should be accumulating, right? If we look at our indicators, right, our strength is showing us. Also, we could see a lot of sideways action on uh, the strength indicator. If we can see our oscillator is trying to tell us that a big move is coming for the price of Link, right? If we move over to smaller time frames, such as the 12 hours time frame, we could see clearly accumulation going on. Clear. This is facts, right? That this is pure textbook accumulation, right? That is going on, go up and hit the top liquidity levels, come back and hit the down liquidity levels, as you can see, right? Also, as you can see, volume is dropping, right? Volume is dropping. So probably this is pure accumulation. So please don't be shaken out of your Link position. Rather, this is the period for you to dollar cost average, as probably we could see Link in the next few days at probably the because we're having a very, very huge support here. Probably we could see Link push up to about 33% down to the $9 levels, right? Because we could see probably in the next few days we should see Link at the $9 levels, and I'll be showing you why. If you also go to our strength indicator shows probably we might correct a little bit down to the $6.7 region. Not a lot, just normal textbook accumulation, and then we could see higher prices for Link. If we move over to this chart, right? I like this chart because it shows a lot. It has a lot of our indicators. On the weekly, we could see a little bearish divergence for Link, both on our stochastic and our MACD. So, but we could see that it's been on the range for a lot of time. So probably we could just see a Link go to the end of the Bollinger Bands, and we could see Link go to about $6. We're still at $6, probably 6.9. We could see Link go to $6 down to the 5.9, 5.8 range, right? So that stochastic can correct on the weekly before we have a huge run. But I believe, right, every single time we saw the stochastic begin to contract like this, a huge run, probably to the upside, is very, very close. So the moment we see our Bollinger Bands contracting like that, right, the whales, it shows us that the whales are accumulating for a huge run upwards, right? If we go down to our 3 days time frame, same thing. We're seeing our stochastic at some of the lowest levels, but probably our RSI on the mid-range level around the 47 already. So probably, as we said, we should see Link and just come down a bit, probably to the $6 region, right? $6, 5.9 region before we see a huge run. As you can see, our stochastic looks a little bit oversold. Same thing with our MACD, right? Our RSI is still at mid-range, so we expect it to come down to prepare for the run that is coming. So probably we could see a little pushback or a little pullback before we have the run. And as you can see, this is typical textbook manner, right? Every time we see consolidation or contraction of the Bollinger Bands, a big move is on the way, right? Same thing in our daily, as we could see, our daily pure, very, very clear accumulation going on, as you can see, right? This is to shake you out of your links position. Please, on accumulation positions like this, it's not wise that you trade, right? The good thing is just accumulate and hold your link. Accumulate and hold your link, right? So please don't try to trade. The whales will try to shift you out of your positions, right? So they go up, take the liquidity, come down, take another liquidity. So probably that's what they do around this period, right? It's for those that try to trade, they get wrecked and then they leave the coin, and then they move out, and then see a huge rise in coin. So please don't get wrecked. Probably this is the best time to DCA. This is not financial advice. This is just for educational entertainment purposes. Not, I'm just telling you what I'm doing. But probably this is the best time for you to begin to accumulate more link, as we could have larger upsides, right? As you can see, we've been on a downtrend for a couple of months, and I believe an uptrend is soon on its way, especially with the contraction of the Bollinger Band. So as we can see, everything proving that we have some little downsides to go first, probably to the $6 mark, right? For the stochastic and the RSI to correct, and then before our huge run that is coming. So that's it for Link, right? We're expecting just some few retracements before the run begins. So if you like the channel, please make sure you click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, share with your friends, right? And then come back for other coins like this for better analysis. Thank you so much and have a great day.